Thinking about buying or selling your home on your own? I know you can do it, but today I'm sharing why you probably shouldn't. My name is Josh Halford with Cornerstone Home Lending, and let's talk about 5 reasons why you should use an agent when buying and selling your home. Number 1, they have lots of expertise. Want to check the MLS for a 4B, 2B with an EIK and WD? If I just lost you, don't worry. Real estate is basically like its own little language, with acronyms, jargon, and abbreviations. Realtors are trained to know all the terms. Selling a home usually requires dozens of forms, reports, disclosures, and other technical documents, and realtors have the expertise to help you prepare a competitive deal while avoiding delays or costly mistakes that can seriously mess you up. Number 2, they have VIP access. With real estate listing sites, you can find up-to-date homes anytime you want. But guess what? They have even more listings. They can see listings that are available but not advertised and can find those wonderful hidden gems. They know the ins and outs of neighborhoods, up-and-coming areas, and overlooked communities. Number 3, they're skilled negotiators. This year's market has buyers and sellers dealing with multiple offers, bidding wars, and some cutthroat competition. Having a savvy and experienced negotiator on your side can help you seal the deal. An agent can not only help you on the financial side, they can help you draw up a purchase agreement that allows enough time for inspections, contingencies, and other factors you may need for a smooth process. Number 4, they've got connections. Most agents have a tight network of other professionals that they can bring in to make your process smoother. Agents work with mortgage brokers, real estate attorneys, home inspectors, stagers, designers, and more. They have a whole list of incredible people to help you buy or sell a home. Number 5, they are licensed. A reliable agent has studied for months, passed a national test, and received their license. A licensed agent knows the ins and outs of the legal and moral guidelines they need to follow to have a smooth process. Having a licensed agent by your side helps you protect yourself. If you're thinking about buying or selling on your own, let's chat. I would love to talk to you about your goals, timeline, and expectations. Thank you so much for watching this week's episode. Make sure to like and share and comment below if you're ready to start your journey. I would love to connect. See you next time.